Sports Around the World by Eric Hallis. The origin of baseball. Most think Abner Doubleday created baseball in a small town in New York called Cooperstown in the summer of 1839. But in September of 1845, a group of New York City men were creating a baseball club called the New York Knickerbockers. Alexander Joy Cartwright, who he modified most of the rules that turned into the ones today, like the diamond-shaped infield, the foul lines, and the three-strike rule. Some basic concepts of baseball. The major equipment you need is a baseball, baseball bat, and baseball gloves. The major concepts are you hit the ball, you try to catch the ball, and throw the ball, which are harder than most people think. Some of the basic, there's no running clock. There's two teams competing in play. A period is called an inning, divided into a home and away half. Normal games are 9 innings long, and points are called runs. Major rules, you have to try to score as many runs as possible. When you get 3 outs, you switch from defense to offense and vice versa. You try to hit the ball and run as many bases as you possible without getting out. The pitcher's mound is 6 feet 6 inches away from home plate, and the bases are 90 feet apart. The major governing body for baseball is USA Baseball. It represents the sport in the USA as a member of the USOC and internationally as a member of the IBAF. How popular is it? The list to the right shows how popular baseball is within those countries. Participation rates. In 2018, there were 5.9 million people participating in baseball from the youth levels to the major leagues, and there was a 21% rise from 2014 to 2018 in participation rates. Some of the profiles participate ranges anywhere from being 5'6" to being 6'7", and age ranges are from about 5 to starting around 5 or 6 for the youth levels, and maybe around 35 retiring age, and maybe even some players even reach 40 when they retire. Some of the major events that are held for baseball would be the World Series, which is held between the MLB teams, and the winner is the champion of the league. The World Baseball Classic is held for the international teams around the world, played every 4 years with players around the world and from the MLB. And now in 2018, they are now going to partake in the Summer Olympics. Some of the baseball coverages like that cover baseball are TBS, ESPN, Fox, Fox Sports 1, and the new one is YouTube TV. Baseball sponsors, just some of them: Arm & Hammer, Amazon, Barbasol, Budweiser, Chevy, Coca-Cola, DraftKings, Gatorade, Google, MasterCard, Taco Bell, T-Mobile, WB Mason. Licensed products range anywhere from hats, hoodies, shirts to jerseys, bobbleheads, or shoes. References.